Okay, .os 5.1, which is one of the great custom ROMs out there with the latest release where we have Android 12 features for you, some new cool interesting wallpapers, always on display and a lot more things. I've installed it on my Redmi Note 8. You can install it on some devices also, but I will share with you the review of Redmi Note 8, the bugs which I got and everything in this video we're going to talk about. Stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, we have a lot of things by the way changed. I'm not going to show you everything. I will try to show you some little bit of things there. First of all, it's .os 5.1 official version which we have installed. Your device might have the unofficial version, but the thing is it still have this version available. Most of the devices already got this version. It has some Android version 12 features. Basically, as you can see at the quick settings panel, we have Android 12 related UI. It also has the palette color, like it will automatically change the accent color whenever you apply the wallpaper like that. It looks quite good and it's almost same feature which you get in Android version 12 beta 1. And as you can see, the quick set tiles also has this edit button where you can customize these tiles and some extra advanced customizations, but it's not actually Android 12, it's based on Android version 11. Some features are inspired from Android 12, some UI changes are from Android version 12 here. Talking about the things about this .os 5.1, as you can see, there has UI changes available every there. Some new menus, sub menus are available for you. Xiaomi Paths is also included if you're Redmi Note 8 users. Security etc. includes the same kind of options where includes the pattern, fingerprint, face lock, everything is available there. Even the app locker is not available, not here but in some different menus, but app locker is present for you. Battery backup seems to be a decent one. I tried it yesterday and now I reflashed it to check it out some things, and yes, it's just working quite good. Brightness level options etc is the same kind of UI, and as you can see it also has the same kind of options like Android 12 has, the new fonts, and actually it comes with that Samsung One UI header which you can see at the display settings, display name. Like this, we have set these kind of settings everywhere, almost everywhere we get here. Talking about the camera stuff, this is the default camera which you get here. The MIUI camera is there, and this is a very good thing for some of the users if you don't want to lose the camera functionality. It has the aux lens support, 48 megapixel, portrait etc. Everything seems to be working here. It's a very good thing that you get the MIUI camera pre-installed. Gcam option is also available. Talking about some other things, or you can see the moving on to some other things, we have almost same kind of things if you compare it with other Android version 11 based custom ROMs. It doesn't include anything different, anything unique. Honestly, it has the same kind of options for you. The icon shapes, icon pack, everything you can adjust, everything you can change from settings. It's just up to you. The default launcher is the Pixel launcher if you use the Google Apps build. In my case, I'm using the build which includes the Google Apps. That's why we have the Pixel launcher pre-installed on our device. Okay, here comes the customizations tab where includes a lot of customizations, settings etc. The UI is actually same if you compare it with the .os 5.0, maybe that was 5.0.1, this one is 5.1 official version. The icons etc, the UI seems to be same here. It has something unique kind of UI. If you don't know, it includes these kind of switches. If you want to check out the full review of these features, I have a dedicated video. The features are almost same, but this build includes some Android 12 related things, that's why we are just reviewing it right now. As you can see, UI doesn't have that much changes. Quick settings has the same kind of customizations. You can customize the rows and columns and etc. This is one of the main things called the lab where you can simply enable the monet whenever, so the wallpaper, the UI will be changed automatically according to the wallpaper. That seems to be a very good and that is actually a good thing. You can customize the generate colors related things, more colors, better accuracy. You can also choose these own colors, or you can see the custom colors, or the colors will be automatically customized when you apply a different wallpaper. Let me show you the things which you have here. By default, some wallpapers are present for you. These are some 4 default wallpapers. It also includes some cool new wallpapers which automatically will be downloaded whenever you open this thing, and this looks actually good. But especially when I am using it on my Redmi Note 8, I got a bug here. Whenever I try to apply any wallpaper, not every time, just sometimes whenever I try to apply any wallpaper, it will just stuck here for some time. It will give me a force stop for some time. So these are some little bit of basic bugs which I got. I'm not sure about that. This is a bug which is a source bug, or you can say the bug which you get in other devices also, other devices .os. But in Redmi Note 8 you might get this bug. So this thing which you need to keep in mind is including this thing thing is the wallpaper. The wallpaper is actually having issues, especially in my case. I'm not sure. As you can see, the device is stuck here. It will show you the customizations for stopped like this. As you can see, it's showing me as customizations menu. Customizations isn't responding like this, so this is kind of a bug which I'm getting. But if you exclude this, if you try out some other extra features, you can give it a try. But this thing, the customization panel, you can see the wallpaper panel, is just not working for me. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it isn't. But yes, the thing is, this is what it is. Now moving on to some other things. As same features, customization includes some customizations. Go and customize them. Link for this build is in the description. Installation is quite easy. Install the zip and you're good to go.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.